Alright, let's select Bob on our keyboard. This Bob, let's select Bob, and now let's say smooth, and let's smooth that area a little bit. Let's bob a little bit again, and let's smooth. Alright, now I think this is okay. So let's click on draw sharp, and let's draw that area for our character's ear. Just draw something simple. Yes, alright, now I think this is okay. Can draw this a little bit. Let's say G on our keyboard to grab, and let's say G and push inwards, like kind of adjust the ear following your character reference. Let's say draw sharp again, and let's draw sharp these areas also a little bit. Let's say smooth on our keyboard. Let's smooth some areas, and you can crease this area. So let's crease this area just to make it a little bit sharper. Let's say smooth again. You always try to adjust whenever you do anything. You adjust. You can smooth this side. Then we're going to adjust these areas again. Say G to grab, and let's push this inwards. So when we are done with the whole character face sculpting, we're going to retopologize the face, and we're going to model the body of the character. So let's keep on adjusting all this. So let's remesh again. Still same parameters for remeshing 0.01. Remesh, and let's smooth this area. And now let's draw sharp inwards. And crease this area also too. Say G to grab, and let's adjust, make some adjustment. So we can smooth the face again. So it's looking more smoother than before. So we can just smooth some areas. Let's smooth this nose area a little bit, and let's draw sharp and push that inwards. You can just draw sharp some area just to let the marking show properly. So we can adjust this nose a little bit. Let's see how it looks like. You can draw sharp, and let's create this hole properly. So let's say smooth, and smooth these areas. So we can crease that area also too. After you smooth, just crease the area a little bit. So we'll say G to grab, and let's just keep on adjusting and modifying these areas. See smooth. Alright, so let's come back here to object mode and say Shift A, arrow Z 90, arrow X 90 to rotate in the X axis to bring in your sphere. So let's scale this sphere following our character eye reference. Let's push this backward a little bit, and just ensure that it just fits in that eye socket. So let's say go to modifier and select mirror modifier and use the pick tool to select the character's face. So it's going to duplicate in both sides. So you can mirror in both sides. Now let's say G to adjust this area. Just push in some areas, push out, push in, and push out some areas. So we keep on working until your character look nice and you can let go. Alright, so we just keep on adjusting this area. Just keep on adjusting that area and okay, I think this is okay now. So what we'll do now, we'll say Shift A on our keyboard to bring in a mesh. Shift A. So let's select plane. Let's rotate that plane, arrow X 90. So we use this plane for the eyebrow. So we say Shift A on our keyboard, then select a plane. We scale the plane to this head area. Take it up to this head area to where we have the eyebrow. Then let's adjust it like this to this point. So what we'll do next, we're going to push this backward a little bit and rotate. Alright, so I want it to be on top of that head area. Yes, directly like this. So just try and adjust it this way. So now I'm going to go to where we have snap. So click on snap, select face, select all this area, select this also too. Then we now click on snap. So we're going to say select this edge, you hold Ctrl and you right click on the area you want to be extruded to. So just hold Ctrl and right click, hold Ctrl and right click to extrude. So it's going to extrude to the area that you click on. So try and adjust this also too. Do the same thing. Once you are done, you're going to turn off the snap. So turn off the snap once you are done adjusting this area. So we turn off the snap. So we turn it off. Then we say A to select, 3 for face selection. Then we say E to extrude and push outwards. I think this is okay now. Then you push outwards, say Ctrl 2 for subdivision level of 2. We can also adjust this area also too. If there's any need to adjust, you can adjust this area. And we can select this and say A and push this inwards a little bit. Alright, now so this is good to go. We'll do the same thing. We'll go to mirror, then we mirror this eyebrow, then we can apply that later. So now we have the eyebrow already here. So now there are so many things we can do. We can also keep refining the character's face. You can remesh and also keep on refining. Now let's go to this area. So let's click on this area. Let's select single. Let's select a color for our character face. So let's just make this kind of a gold color. So you can do the same thing in your sculpting mode also too. You can do the same thing in your object mode also too, in your layout mode. Alright, so now we just keep on sculpting these areas. You can smooth this area also too, and smooth the area. We can remesh again. So remesh, that's what I said, that you always remesh, keep on remeshing so you can refine some areas. I'm going to draw sharp this area, the lips area, and I can crease a little bit also too, so you can refine area. So the more you remesh, the more you have the privilege to refine every area. So alright, so this is good now, and we just keep on refining until you are there. So thanks for watching. Share, like.